has been ready. The players are ready. The crowd are ready. And the officiating are ready. Barangay Lusaran, Bakbakana, Team Mandawi versus Team Cebu City. Team Mandawi, Reggie Hapon Jubil versus Team Cebu City, Jobek Siantoy Jason. Okay, game one of Division 3. This game is presented to you by Jubil Ducati Promotion, organized by Sir GC Cudilla, sponsored by the Barangay officials of Barangay Lusaran. Okay, game one of Division 3. Siantoy, side out. Sa Team Cebu City. Service season. Igualis pata 0. Ayan, namundag ni Siantoy. Siantoy again. Side out. 1-0 na, 1-0. 1-0 na ang atong score. Bola sa Team Mandawi. Servisyo, nasalita sa si Luigi Gabang. Siantoy, tawason igol, bilupad na. Jobek, ayay, counter na po. Wala na kaputo ka na, fire the hole! Awat mo si Siantoy Labra. No zero in favor of Team Mandawi. Jason, Richie firing, operate, answered by Mr. Exclusive, Jobert Pasinas. Sabit si Jason. Please, 0 na. Shoutout na sa Jorkin Construction Supply. Shoutout sa Char, Nopo Ono Disco Mobile. Iyay diha. Kuha pa. Operate shot, answer by Hapon. Jobert, loaded shot. Tukot, salta. Tuktagan. Wala, may paakit na. Si Jobert Pasinas. Operate shot. Counter ni Hapon. Pumasok. Score. 4-0. Service Richie. Bukya ang tira ni Siantoy. 5-0 na. Shout out na sa Margas Green Farm. Jobert, let it fly. Apon, pouring in. Answered by Jason. Out of the box. 6-0. Change score. This halftime is brought to you by the Guardian Team Marisin Anthony Cisaron. Pwede ko namin sa sarap. O ang sukangan o ang katanan ni Maria rin mga bets. Diya sa SRP Road. Diya sa Kansohong Talisay City. Service Reggie. Reggie again. Well, City 0 na. Pada berangkat Gritso ang Team Mandawi. Servisyo, Reggie. Jobert. To Reggie, loaded shot. Counter na sila. Giba si Reggie Gabang. City 0 ang City 0. Here comes Mr. Explosive Jobert Pasinas. Jobert ang 2-shot completion. 3-shot. Overhead. Biyay para kahupon na si Yapon. Kuha pa Jubil. Siantoy. Kamundag. Wala. Butil streaming bombs. Ibawas ang si Jubil. Score. Oro City. Service si Jobert para dos. Jobert. Tujut Reggie. Hapon, lah. Jubilo Cante. Out of the blue. No City na, No City. 2 points made by Mr. Explosive, Jobert Marcinas. Reggie. Yes, nag-lead na si Jason. Yay, kanya kuha pa Reggie. Jubilo Cante. Short. Sayang bupa. Yay, ito na. Hapon, overhead. Answer by Jobert. Hapon again. Reggie. Bang! Goodbye, Philippines. Side out. Ini para Otso. Bang! Luigi Gabon. Out ball. Susan Roses. City dos, bola sa team Cebu City. Servisyo, Shantoy Lapa na certified class A. Out ball. Chris City na. City kini servisyo Shantoy. Rinci again. Rinci satu bisa dari Rinci. Lah, sekarang wala kipaupo ng Jason. Iyan, drop shot. Kamang lipin. Bang! Lapos ang tira ng Jason. I-score. Service Shantoy. City Pilana, City 4. Lah, pumasok ang tira niya po. Finishing kick. Wabanutli ang team Cebu City. Reggie. Away from home. City 4, City 4 bola sa team Mandawi. Service yung hapon. Jobert overhead. Answer na hapon. Bang! Drop shot na Reggie. Kuha pa. Hapon. Yan, natapok na bang! Bang! Loading shots. Coming from team Mandawi. Jason Bolon. Out ball. Otso 4, 4.3 in favor of Team Mandawi. Game 1 of Division 3. Minibit papakan nato din sa Barangay Lusaran. Sabit, i-score, 9-4. Servisyo po. Iyay! Away. I-score. Gis. Ini para 11. Last two na ang Team Mandawi. Jubildo Cante. Wait. Onsi for the win. Para daw sa Gipan. Hapon. Reggie. Yay! Counter attack. Inside. Bola sa Team Cebu City. 11-4 kini para 5 servisyo Jason. Reggie kontrasya. Kuha po. Bang! Aoy pa ng Subil. I-score. 5. 11. Onsi 5. Kumpati. Away. Side out. Onsi 5. Shoutout ay sa Marcas Gipam o ang sukangan titriyan diyan sa Dalagit. Servisyo. Reggie para daw sa game 1. Hapon. Defended by Jason. Jobert counter attack. Bang! Pusat combination double para rin attack. From Team Cebu City. Bang! Gustong bukaon ni Shantoy. Wala. Counter ni counter. Daog na. Ginaog ang Team Mandawi sa game 1. Coming up next, game 2.